The legend of San Juan. San Juan is one of the municipalities in the island of Siquijor. It is known for its rich water resources, white sand beaches, and generous people. Long ago, the municipality was used to be called Macalipay for its residents, who are very helpful and always happy. The town was also said to be enchanted, especially in the spring, which they call Kapilay Spring Park. However, as time passes by, many things happened and the name Macalipay was changed into San Juan. Elders said that it was because when the Spaniards came, they changed the name into San Juan in honor of Saint John the Baptist. However, San Juan's patron saint is not Saint John but Saint Augustine of Hippo. But whether it is Saint Augustine or Saint John, San Juan will always be that mysterious town because before, when the Spaniards came and tried to own the place, it was said that the town was protected by the saints with the use of bamboo trees which covered the roads so that the Spaniards cannot come through. Other people also said that the name San Juan was because of the townspeople who always helped each other in times when they needed help and support, which used to be San Juan as in number one because the people act as one. Up until the present days, San Juan is still known for its generous people, and more people, including tourists, think of San Juan as home. This is because San Juan is a place where you don't need to worry, especially about your safety when you are there. Your safety is guaranteed. San Juan Municipality is known to be the town of peace, love, and safety, especially for those who think of San Juan as home. The legend of Gumamela. Gumamela plant is very common here in the Philippines. It is one of the most beautiful flowers that we can see every day. There are different colors of it, and among these are red and pink. So now, I am going to read the legend of Gumamela. A long time ago, in a small island, there lived a family with 3 children. The first child was named Mona, the second one was Maria, and the third one was Mela. Among the 3 daughters, Mela had the worst behavior and characteristics. She always sleeps and doesn't help to the household chores, while the other 2 daughters, Mona and Maria, always help their parents. One day, Mela was told by her father to go to the market and buy bread for their snack. But Mela didn't listen, so Maria was the one who brought bread. Mela's father didn't say anything since he knew how lazy Mela was. The next day, her mother was cooking for breakfast and she called Mona to set the table because they are going to eat. Unfortunately, Mona was doing something outside the house, so she called Mela and asked to help their mother set the table. Mela got angry and she suddenly walked out of the house. Evening came when Mela was still not home, so their parents got worried. They looked for her and asked the neighbors, but nobody had seen her. It happened that while Mela was walking, she met a stranger and asked her why she is very lazy. The stranger was said to be a fairy and punished Mela for her actions and behavior. She turned Mela into a plain plant since she is very useless. Mela cried and said sorry to the fairy, but that fairy didn't listen to her. Her parents heard about it and begged the fairy, but she said that Mela deserved it and she needs to be punished for her to learn her lesson. Months have passed and Mela learned her lessons, but the fairy is nowhere to be seen. From then, Mela became a plant and people named it Gumamela, and that is how the legend of Gumamela came from. The legend of butterflies. How the butterflies were made. Long ago, the animals in the forest were only the snakes, birds, elephants, lions, kangaroo, and tiger. Everywhere in the forest, you can see these animals singing, chirping, and growling. Then one day, the king of the forest sat down and observed the beautiful colors of the flowers, the leaves, and the different animals. He then realized how amazing the forest was. He was very thankful for everything he can see in the forest because it always made him happy. However, after looking at the beautiful color of flowers, he thought to himself, "These colors would be so nice to see if I could watch it all at one animal." Then he think and think carefully. He decided to collect all the colors that he can see around the forest, including the color of the different flowering plants, trees, leaves, and the color of the sky. After that, he think of an animal, then he saw the birds chirping. He got an idea what he wanted to make, and he said to himself, "I will try to make a small flying animal like a bird but with beautiful colors and cute figure." And that is how he was able to make the beautiful butterflies that we can see right now all around us. He made the butterflies in different colors, and we can see that it has no sounds like the birds because the king said that butterflies alone with its beautiful colors can make people happy even though they don't make any sounds.